Home upgrades can significantly boost your property's value and give it an incredible look. Even though there are many ways to decorate your home, these are some which you should definitely consider while renovating your old home. Number 1. Add some modern or vintage touch. While some of us prefer to be modern, there are people who like the old vintage vibes as well. While renovating your home, you should decorate it in such a way that it reveals your idea of what you like. For example, if you are a vintage guy, you might like having a vintage armchair by the window or a grandfather clock in your room. Well, choose something which is similar to your liking as well as the one that matches with other pieces of furniture in your home. Here we will show you some products. Candle lantern. This lantern can be an amazing piece for your home as it creates an aura of old-world charm and brings a gorgeous and romantic ambiance by itself into the room. With its 4 glass window panes, inside of which is the beautiful yellow flame that flickers, it would definitely catch the eye of any visitor. It also sets the mood for tranquil evenings with the soothing glow of the candlelight. You can keep it indoors or outdoors as per your wish. For those who like a little modern touch, we have just the product for that too, Minimalist ceramic vase set. In the age of modern art, this would act as a perfect addition to your home. This minimalist ceramic vase set with a ribbed texture and matte, white finish would give your home an elegant but simple outlook while adding intrigue and style. These can be used on their own in any space, such as on your bookshelf or on the dining table. It would surely fetch you some compliments. Number 2. Amp up the lighting. Another thing to keep in mind while renovating is the lighting. It is an important aspect of any house. Good lighting can make a house look more bright and more inviting, thereby creating a sense of happiness and fun. Try experimenting with different light fixtures and shades to create a unique ambiance. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit space. While ambient lighting offers overall illumination, accent lighting highlights aesthetic items like artwork or architectural details. Chandelier. A chandelier is a great way to lighten up your whole room. It is both a lighting and a decorative item that would make your home look from 0 to 100 real quickly. With its shining bright crystals and mesmerizing yellow light, it would leave all your guests in awe. Even though it is a bit costly, it is worth the price. Number 3. Upgrade your bathroom. One of the best investments you can make is to upgrade your bathrooms. Even though it's not an area everyone can see, it is one of the most important places we use on a daily basis. Use large mirrors and lighting to give the appearance of depth in a small bathroom. Just adding a fresh coat of paint and switching out the towels and shower curtain will also do wonders. Wall mirror for bathroom. This classic frameless beveled edged round mirror can be the next art piece that could change your bathroom. It would also give the room a better sense of light and space due to its reflective surface. It doesn't matter if the mirror is hung horizontally or vertically. Either way, the huge mirror will create a wonderful illusion of vast space in your bathroom. Number 4. Built-in cabinets wardrobe. Other than kitchens, we need cabinets everywhere. To maximize space throughout the remodeling process, have some cabinets placed into the walls. The closets would have clean lines and would not look disorganized. Moreover, it would give your house a touch of minimalistic yet unique appearance. Built-in cabinets are the way to go to make your room more stylish and spacier. With that, we have come to an end. If you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will come back again with more videos. Until then, goodbye.